Get on plane faster. Improve your fuel efficiency. Reduce pounding and engine laboring. Eliminate porpoising and chine walking. Durable spring action system. Top reviews from the United States. Installed on aluminum shallow water river boat. Love this product. Buy this and some 3M 5200 and you're all set. Great quality, easy to install. What are you waiting for? Best $100 improvement I've done to my boat. Gets on plane much quicker and planes. I own an aluminum 15 by 52 alweld 60 horsepower tohatsu 4-stroke. The boat is potted, tunneled, lifted transom, and a breakaway plate. I have tried everything to get the speed and motor height out of my motor that I know it should have. Problem number 1: porpoising. Boy, this is the most aggravating thing to deal with. Boat planes out quick with motor trimmed all the way under boat. Trim it up one bump and slap 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 slap. Almost throw you out of the boat. Problem number 2: motor height. If you know anything about tunnel boats, you know that one blade of prop and fin should be the only thing that is hanging past the bottom of the boat to allow for proper water pressure to the pump. I had to keep a little over half of my prop below my boat, so the tunnel wasn't able to do its job of hiding the prop as it should have. This caused issues of running in really skinny water. Problem number 3, and it's the most important: speed. If you're anything like me and put a overpowered motor on a small boat, this is a big deal. Each problem of trimming, height, porpoising, and planning out all add up to a huge speed lose. I was very skeptical about these trim tabs, figured they would be just a waste of $100, but I am here to tell you now every issue has been fixed with these tabs. I was able to raise my motor to proper height. I can trim the motor till it's in just few inches of water, no porpoising, jumps onto plane quick, and let me tell you now, speed. I bet I gained 10 miles per hour and running in 6 inches or less of water. Can prove it with video. 100% recommend this product to anyone. It's a one-stop fix for all. Sorry for the long review, but I am truly satisfied and wish I could have read this about a riverboat rather than all the reviews on bay boats. By the way, the only thing extra I have done is I went and had cup added to my prop to cut back on cavitation because of how everything is now. Which wasn't a bad problem, but remember, every little problem adds up. Thanks y'all. Keep it skinny. Wave speedboat at slower speeds. Works as advertised. I have a 19 feet C Pro center console with a 150 horsepower Suzuki for reference.